Remember Nyay the Justice, a film based on Sushant Singh Rajput's mysterious death, being made by Shruti Modi's lawyer Ashok Saraugi and his wife? Now, the Delhi High Court has refused to stay the release of this upcoming film called Nyay the Justice. The film is actually scheduled to release tomorrow, that is on 11th of June 2021. However, the producers of this film and all other films supposedly inspired from Sushant Singh Rajput's life and death have been asked by the court to maintain and render the true accounts of the revenue earned from the film. This could be by way of sale or licensing of all the rights related to the film. The Delhi High Court order came after Sushant Singh Rajput's father, KK Singh, filed a plea against movies and other such ventures depicting Sushant's personal life or likeness in the form of a biopic or a story. But the Delhi High Court was of the opinion that when the events that form the subject matter of the film are in the public sphere already, there was no justification to restrain publication of work that can only draw inspiration from such events. The court added that in view of specific disclaimer by the filmmakers, there was prima facie nothing to believe that the film would lead the public to believe that it was a true story or a biopic that has been authorized or endorsed by Sushant's father. Sushant's father, Krishna Kishore Singh, had moved the Delhi High Court earlier this year claiming that many people were taking advantage of his son's death. He argued that his son's death was being seen as an opportunity to get fame by developing different theories and stories at the cost of his and his family's reputation. After learning about movies based on SSR like Nyay the Justice, Suicide or Murder, A Star Was Lost and Shashank, Sushant's father feared that various plays, movies, web series, books, interviews or other material might be published which would harm the reputation of his son and his family. Now, it was asserted that in the absence of permission, any kind of depiction of Sushant Singh Rajput's private life was a blatant and willful breach of fundamental right to privacy which cannot be taken away without the prior approval of Sushant's legal heir. It was further urged that the personality right of the celebrity should be acknowledged at par with an intellectual property right. But the makers of Nyay the Justice argued that the film was not a biopic and did not portray the name, image or photographs etc. of Sushant Singh Rajput. They said that their film was only inspired by the true events surrounding the lives of film or TV celebrities including Sushant Singh Rajput, who they say passed away due to unnatural causes, and the details of which are widely available in the public domain. So now I don't know where, but apparently this film Nyay the Justice releases tomorrow on 11 June 2021, just 3 days before the first anniversary of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. By the way, I've seen the trailer of this film, and all things aside, as a film critic, I can say that with or without the controversy, Nyay the Justice looks like a lost cause right from the word go. It features hopelessly dull acting by B and C grade actors in what can only be termed as a hurriedly put together hodgepodge in a desperate attempt to cash in on the biggest news story of the year. But what are your thoughts on this latest developing story and Nyay the Justice if you have watched the trailer? Let me know in the comment section. We can chat on Instagram, it's @reviewron. Subscribe here if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't do any of these things, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Jai Hind.